Let's face it, it's a great feeling when you receive exceptional service. It's even better when someone takes the time to acknowledge how much they appreciate the effort. Here's a look at one of our favorite 5-star reviews. This is a powerful testament to our dedicated team effort that always ensures a 5-star experience with us. As you can see, we truly pay attention to everyone's needs and put them first, each and every time. And the feedback keeps coming in to prove it. So whether you're somebody brand new or you've been through our doors before, we would like the chance to make you happy. So thank you for visiting us today. We look forward to doing business with you. Contact us anytime.